Most AI users today are quietly building a dangerous dependency that replaces their own independent reasoning with a blank screen. This cognitive decay remains invisible until the moment you are forced to think for yourself, and the prompt stays empty. Imagine AI disappeared tomorrow. Consider whether your baseline thinking would be sharp enough to navigate a crisis, or if your progress would simply stall. The immediate clarity provided by a chatbot often masks a growing inability to structure a thought from scratch. Consider a professional evaluating a major job offer. They ask a chatbot to list the pros and cons, seeking a quick resolution to their uncertainty. The machine provides a clean, structured output. The user feels confident and makes the decision based on that external logic. 2 weeks later, a different opportunity arrives. It's a different role with higher pay and more complex trade-offs. The old uncertainty returns immediately. Without the machine, the user defaults to overthinking, and eventually they return to the interface for another set of instructions. While that first interaction solved a temporary problem, it left the user's independent reasoning untouched. They have successfully rented intelligence, which yields no long-term interest. To break this cycle, you must shift your focus away from the temporary answers and toward the permanent logic that generates them. When an AI gives you a useful answer, you need to pause, dissect it, identify the hidden questions and the specific assumptions that made the conclusion feel so obvious. A basic prompt like, "Should I quit my job?" provides a generic list. A system builder, however, asks for a framework to evaluate the long-term cost of regret. This chart maps how the regret minimization framework processes risk into regret over a 10-year horizon. It's a specific logic for a specific problem. Once you see how this logic connects, you can internalize the model. You've successfully downloaded a thinking system into your own mind, making the machine redundant for the next decision. We can apply this systemic approach using a specific 5-point filter designed to strip away bias from any high-stakes choice. Point 1. What assumptions are you making right now that might be false? Point 2. What could specifically go wrong in a 6-month window? Points 3 and 4. What are you currently underestimating, and what exactly are you saying no to by saying yes to this? And point 5. What is the true opportunity cost of this path? These 5 constraints provide a shortcut to clarity. They replace reactive guessing with a repeatable process of deliberate judgment. Operating without a system means your thinking is at the mercy of your mood. You ignore risks when you're excited, and you overthink everything when you're stressed or tired. A structured system remains consistent even when you don't. It forces an objective analysis of the facts, protecting you from your own emotional volatility. This creates a compounding loop. Better decisions lead to better priorities, which sharpen your execution and make every future choice easier to navigate. This is how you transition from reacting to operating. Attempting to automate your life before you have structured your thinking only scales your mistakes at a faster rate. The logical progression of intelligence starts with structure. That structure builds the system, which then allows for automation. Reversing this order creates chaos. Pick one recurring decision you face, like financial investments or career moves. Build your own filter, write it down, and use it every single time. We are entering an era where those who simply ask for answers will eventually be replaced, while those who build systems become permanently irreplaceable. If you're ready to stop being dependent and start building your own systems, comment "system" below. In the next video, I'll show you a full AI workflow from start to finish. Stop consuming temporary clarity. Start compounding your cognitive assets.